Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Welcome you all to my TikTok channel as well. Yeah, welcome you all to any channel that you're watching me from. Yeah, so today I'm here to do the crypto arbitrage. Yeah, using the AI bots. Yeah, so you can see that whenever you are doing arbitrage, it's very difficult, but this bot has made it very easy for us. Yeah, so if you don't have time to trade manually, this auto trade will help you. Yeah, so this is how you do it. Yeah, so this auto trade will be connected to the APIs. Then you initiate a trade and it will trade for you and you'll be getting your profit. Yeah, so at the end of everything and you want to close your account, then the bot will take its percentage from you. Yeah, so the bot will be working for you. Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, so you can see that this is the bot, right? Yeah, so the total profit is the amount of money I've been making on the boat, and the regular wallet is the amount of money that's available for me to withdraw right now. Yeah, so so if you buy the boat is just $40. I will show you how to connect everything, how to use it as well. Yeah. So when you come to the arbitrage wallet here, you can see that we have the wallet for me to trade. So I'll enter the amount I want to trade with, but I'll advise you to trade all your amounts. Yeah. Then you select all, then you take it to trade. Yeah. So the bot will start from initializing and it will do everything for you. You can cut the screen, attend to anything that you're doing, and the bot will do everything for you. Yeah, so right now you can see that the bot is now connecting all the exchanges. That's their APIs is already connected to the bot. Yeah, so the bot will connect all the exchanges first before it will do everything. Yeah, so that's connect so that it will give you it will so that it can search for the live signals to trade on it for you. Yeah, so you can see that it's doing the connection, connecting to the exchanges right now. Yeah, so this one is for people who don't have time to trade. But if you have time to trade, the same bot also give you signals to trade manually. So that then the same bot also give you signals to trade manually. But if you don't have time to trade, then you go in for the auto trade. Yeah. So you can see that right now it's doing the preheating. That's what it's warming up connection and fetching live prices. Here it will be warming up on other exchanges to fetch for live prices so that after that it will trade for you. Yeah, so the the trading don't take more than 5 minutes. Is that then it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. So you can see that it's doing the preheating right now. Yeah, it's doing the preheating. Usually pre so the reason why the boat also take percentage is that the boat is working for you. Instead that then yeah the boat will trade for you. So after everything, when the boat give you profit, you can withdraw your profit anytime, any day you want. The only time the boat take 8% is when you want to close your account. If you want to close your account, the boat will charge you. Yeah, when you want to close your account. But if your account is active, you can withdraw your profit anytime, any day you want. Yeah. So you can say that right now is doing the arbitrage. So it will give you where it's buying and where it's selling, the spread and everything, and then when it's trading. You can see that it's tapping from all the pens. Yeah, that's how it is. And mostly it trades meme coins. Yeah, it trades meme coins mostly. Yeah, it's like if you check their live, even their live this thing, it's give you more major coins and meme coins as well. It's that thing. So, but when it's trading, the meme coins has higher spread. Yeah. So that the alert here, Manta USDT is a meme coin, right? Yeah, you buy it from Big One and sell it on BitGet. Yeah. So the bot gives you accurate signals as well. And it also trade on accurate signals for you to get your profit, and that's it. Yeah. So currently he's doing the arbitration. So he's doing the buy and sell across all the exchanges. Yeah. So you can see everything over here. Everything's going on over here. You can see everything. Yeah. The coin that is trading, the price, the exchange, and everything. You see everything over here. You will see everything over here. You see everything over here. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that it's done. And my expecting profit is what? Plus 111.61. After the trade, the profit that I made is what? 111.61 USDT. Yeah, so you can see that, okay, right now I have what? I have 3016, right? So when it's done, it will add up to it for you to see. And you can withdraw it anytime, any day. The bot will not ask you to pay so that before you can withdraw. No, you can withdraw anytime you want. The only time the bot will charge you is when you want to close your account. But the profit that you'll be making on the bot, you can withdraw it anytime, any day. Yeah. So if I want to initiate another trade again, I will enter the amount again. Price is to one, select all, and I'll execute trade. Just simple like that. Yeah, so if you need the boats, I have my WhatsApp number on the screen. I also have my WhatsApp link in the description and the comment section as well. My Telegram is doing some way right now. They said I should be on a premium. Yeah, so I'm not on a premium right now. So right now, if you need me, chat me on WhatsApp. Yeah, yeah, and let's talk. Yeah, so if you get it, I will show you everything about it. Yeah, so thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord.